Let's start. You have your six. Page number 93. Am I right? Perfect. Okay. So what are you aware of arithmetic progression? Can you tell me?
Ma'am,
What is arithmetic progression?
arithmetic progression is like to add continuous number by like example 2, 4, 8, 6, 8, like go on till.
So according to you, 2, 4, 6, 8, this is an arithmetic progression.
Yes.
If I say 2, 4, 8, 16, is this arithmetic progression?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What is arithmetic progression means? You have to follow the same pattern.
Yes.
Some pattern which occurs, right? If you see, this is also in arithmetic progression, times 2, times 2, times 2.
Okay.
I say 4, 9, 16, 25. This is also a pattern, which is 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
So you cannot be sure like which is in pattern and which is not in pattern unless you find the difference.
Yes.
If D is same, only then it is arithmetic progression. Or else it is not an arithmetic progression. Okay?
Yes.
So to be in the same pattern of arithmetic progression, the difference between the second term and the first term or any continuous term should be same, whichever is given. Right?
Yes.
So so if you see the numbers in the squares, 1, 4, 9. So these are in the squares, right?
Yes.
So this is in the pattern. Right?
Yes, right.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, I'm getting.
Yes. Now if you see here, Shakila puts 100 into her daughter's money box when she was 1 year old and increased the amount 50 every year. So in the first year,
it is 100.
100. Second year it is
150.
Third year it is
200, 250.
So this is a pattern. Every year they are adding up
50.
50. Perfect. 50 rupees, right? So that is one kind of pattern. Now if you observe here 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. How is this in pattern? 1. Then 2.
Adds.
So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. 8.
5.
Right? So
Yes.
this is also a pattern. So overall, if it is following the pattern, which is same throughout, only then it is a progression. Right?
Okay. Yes, right.
Now, if you see here, consider the following list of numbers. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is in a pattern.
Yes.
What about this?
Yes, it's
100, 70, 40, 10.
It is minus 30.
Minus 30. So this is also in a pattern, right?
Yes.
Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1.
Also in pattern minus 1.
Yes. Okay. What about 3, 3, 3, 3, 3? Is it in a pattern?
It is just 3, 3, 3.
I can say it is 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0. So this is also in a pattern.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes, it is.
Are you getting my point?
Yes. Yes.
The next one, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5. So adding 0.5 at every step, right?
Yeah.
Subtracting, Subtracting because it is minus 1.5. This is also a pattern. Clear? So
Clear.
overall, an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term.
Okay.
we will not include, first term is 1, first term is 3. So we don't include the first term. But from next terms, we see the fixed pattern is followed or not. Okay. For example, if I say 25, 30, 35, 40. So first number we will exclude because I'm starting from 25. I cannot say, okay, the pattern should be 25 followed with 25. No, right? I will start from second term. So difference 5, 5, 5. So this is in pattern. You got my point?
Yes, I got.
Good. So now the fixed number is called as common difference. So any term, for example, if I say T4 and minus T3 is different. So T2 minus T1 also should be D. The both D should never change. The difference should never change. It should be common difference. Okay? But it can be positive, negative, or 0 also. It is not saying that difference should be in positive or it should be in negative only. It can be positive, negative, and 0. Now let's start some problems. Okay? Now, for example, I'm sorry, I'll just. Okay. So if you see, the first term, one second. The first term is always called as A. Okay, the first term is always denoted as A. D is always difference. Okay. Now, for example, 6, 9, 12, and 15 is given to, and they ask you to find out the next terms. Can you find out the next term? After 15, next 3 terms for this. How will you do it? You are on mute. I cannot hear you. I'm sorry.
18, 21, 24.
So it is following plus
3.
3. That is difference, right?
Yeah, the D is 3.
Yes. You can do plus D, and if not, you can follow even this pattern, which is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. You can follow this pattern, or else you can follow A plus B, then A plus D, then again this term and plus D. Okay? So any pattern you can follow, but yes, you always have to follow the pattern. For example, A is given as A is equals to minus 10. Okay?
Yes.
A is equals to minus 10 and B is equals to 4. Can you give me the pattern?
Minus 4 or plus 4?
Did I write any sign with 4?
No.
So what does that mean?
Plus 4.
Perfect. Can you tell me 5 terms? The first term starts with negative 10. What is the next term?
6 minus 6.
Minus 6.
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
2. 6.
10, 14, and so on, right?
Yes.
Perfect. This is easy when A is given and B is given, right? Now,
Yes.
what will you do when terms are given? When terms are given and you have to find out the, for example, AP is given here. So, A equals to 3 over 2, right?
3 over.
Here is the question. Find the difference. D equals to?
Nine. 2 by 2.
2 by 2. What does that mean? 2 by 2 is nothing but, okay. If I say
Yeah.
3 by 3, it is nothing but 1, right?
Yes.
Is the difference 1?
Yes.
Are you sure?
1 by
Let's check it.
1 and a
3
half.
by 2 plus 1 is nothing but
3.
is 5 by 2.
1.
So difference is done.